Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on managing state in React applications using Zustand. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of Redux or just want a more streamlined approach to state management, you're in the right place. Zustand offers a lightweight and intuitive alternative that can help you build scalable interfaces without the hassle. In this video, you'll discover how Zustand simplifies state management, making it accessible and efficient for both small and large applications. We'll explore core concepts, practical implementation, and advanced techniques to ensure you can leverage Zustand to its full potential. So, if you're ready to take your React applications to the next level, stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you ahead of the curve in modern web development. Let's dive into the theory behind Zustand and why it stands out as a state management solution. Zustand is a small, fast, and flexible state management library that leverages modern JavaScript features like hooks and context. Unlike Redux, which often requires a significant amount of boilerplate, Zustand provides a minimalistic approach, allowing you to focus on what matters most: building your application. Imagine Zustand as a central store that holds your application's state, similar to a library where you can borrow books. Components subscribe to this store, and just like borrowing a book, they receive the information they need. When the state changes, these components automatically update, ensuring your UI remains consistent and synchronized. This unidirectional data flow promotes clarity and separation between state and UI logic, reducing complexity and enhancing maintainability. Now, let's look at a practical code example to see how Zustand can be implemented in a React project. We'll create a simple counter application to illustrate the core concepts. First, ensure you have a React project set up and Zustand installed. In your source directory, create a file named store.js. This file will define our Zustand store, where we manage the counter state. The following code demonstrates how to create a store with a count state and actions to increment and decrement it. Notice how we use the create function from Zustand to set up our state and actions. This setup allows any component to access and modify the state seamlessly. You can find the full code linked in the comments. Feel free to modify it, add new features, and share your creations with us. Let's walk through a demonstration of the application in action. Imagine you're interacting with a simple counter interface. You see a display showing the current count, starting at 0. When you click the plus button, the count increases by 1, reflecting the updated state immediately. Conversely, clicking the core button decreases the count by 1, showing the decrement in real time. This seamless interaction is powered by Zustand, which efficiently manages the state changes and updates the UI without any noticeable delay. The beauty of Zustand is that despite its simplicity, it handles state management tasks with ease, allowing you to focus on building features and improving user experience. To wrap up, Zustand provides a powerful yet simple solution for managing state in React applications. By reducing boilerplate and complexity, it allows you to build scalable and maintainable interfaces efficiently. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale application, Zustand's flexibility and performance optimizations make it a compelling choice. As you continue to develop your skills, consider experimenting with advanced patterns and middleware to enhance your applications further. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials that empower you to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of web development. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge that accelerates your learning and application of real-world examples.